Dear viewers and subscribers, welcome again to our YouTube channel Max the Service. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive all notifications regarding any video we are uploading on this channel. Okay guys, in last session we covered a lot about how to create Angular front-end based application and how to containerize that one, and that was demo UI. So today we will be going to view all the Docker commands. I will explain all the Docker commands with example. So do you need a quick reference for commonly used Docker CLI commands? Then yes, then you are in the right channel. Docker CLI is the command line tool used to interact with Docker installation. You need it to start containers, build images, interact with Docker resources on your machine, and manage configuration settings. In this video, we will provide a brief description for the majority of the main Docker commands. You can use this list to learn more about Docker functionality or simply find how to use particular feature. So first of all, we will use general command. So generally we use three commands, which is docker version, docker system info, docker help, and we can use docker which help we need. So first of all, if just guys, make sure that you have installed Docker as well, and and also if you are on Windows, then you must be install having Docker WSL. Okay, Windows subscription for Linux. So to just as a general command, first command is Docker version. It will show you which version of Docker you are using in API Golang version, because Go is a Google's language. So you can also see its Git commits as well, because it's open source. You can also contribute in Go. So other than which architecture, either Linux based or AMD 64, experiment files, all these options are available in detail. So after that, the next command is docker system info. So guys, what this command is used for, it will list data about your Docker environment. Great. So I can check all the environmental changes on Docker I have, including active plugins and the number of containers and images on your system as well. But remember, if you are having running Docker engine on your machine, then it will show you containers and images as well. Otherwise, it will throw error. So let's see. Yeah, you can see all the information here in detail apart from the Docker version itself. Here you can see its version, context. Other than this, all the plugins we have, like Docker X and all the other things. Okay. Then after this, let me show you. Okay, we have 5 containers running, 4 stopped, 1 total images. We have 5, right? So all the things you can uh, uh, check in detail on your all the Docker what your Docker environment have. You can check with this command. And then definitely the last command, general command is docker help. Okay, it will show you the options for which command you need help. So then you can also type, okay, I want help regarding docker, let's suppose dash v help. It will let you know how you can use this command, what is dash v command, all of this. Okay, so this was just sorry, I think it was went wrong. Docker command help for more information. Okay, so you can just write down which command you want to use, and then just you can write dash dash help. So after this, because okay, Docker help with this command view the help information about the particular command, including detailed information on the supported options. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and also do like, share in your circle these videos, and also provide your valuable comments. And I hope you will be liking and sharing, so that I will be continuing with rest of the technologies and tools sharing with you. Thanks.